Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic off-road vehicles of all time, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Known for its rugged looks, unstoppable reliability, and legendary off-road capabilities, the FJ40 is more than just a classic SUV. It's a symbol of adventure. So buckle up as we take you through its history, specs, and why this vintage beast is still a favorite among collectors and off-road enthusiasts even decades later. Section 1. The legend begins. Let's rewind to the early 1960s. Toyota was making moves to expand globally, and they needed a rugged 404 to compete with the likes of the Jeep CJ and Land Rover series. That's when they introduced the FJ40, a short wheelbase version of the Land Cruiser that quickly gained a reputation for being virtually indestructible. Produced from 1960 to 1984, the FJ40 wasn't just a vehicle, it became a lifeline in remote regions, serving roles from military duty to agricultural transport. Its design was simple but effective. Round headlights, a flat front grille, and boxy lines that screamed utility. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Under the hood, it packed enough power and torque to handle everything from desert dunes to rocky mountain trails. Section 2. Under the hood. So what's powering this classic beast? Most FJ40s were equipped with Toyota's 3.9-liter F-Series inline-6 engine, producing around 125 horsepower and 209 Nm of torque. That may not sound like much today, but paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and part-time 4WD with low-range gearing, the FJ40 could climb, crawl, and conquer terrain like a champ. Later models came with the improved 4.2-liter 2F engine, which gave it a bit more grunt and improved reliability. And let's not forget, it had solid front and rear axles, leaf spring suspension, and a reputation for being almost impossible to kill. This thing wasn't about speed, it was about going anywhere and surviving anything. Section 3. Timeless design and function. One of the coolest things about the FJ40 is its design. It's raw and mechanical. Every knob, bolt, and panel serves a purpose. The removable hardtop or soft-top versions gave drivers the freedom to go open air, and the swing-out rear doors made loading gear easy. Inside, it's minimalistic. Don't expect luxury. This was built for purpose, not comfort. But that utilitarian interior is exactly what enthusiasts love. It's simple, honest, and durable. And here's the kicker. The FJ40 is one of the few vehicles from the 60s and 70s that still looks cool today. Whether it's restored to factory spec or modified for overlanding, it turns heads wherever it goes. Section 4. Value in modern market. Now you're probably wondering, what does a Toyota FJ40 cost today? Well, prices vary depending on condition, originality, and modifications. A project FJ40 can start around $15,000, but a clean restored example? You're looking at $40,000 to over $100,000. Yes, seriously. Rare models, especially those with original parts or upgraded 2F engines, command top dollar at auctions. Collectors and off-road lovers are willing to pay big because the FJ40 offers something modern SUVs can't. Authenticity, raw mechanical, connection, and a proven legacy. Section 5. Why people still love it. So why does the FJ40 have such a cult following? It's reliable, easy to work on, parts are still widely available, and it has a timeless design that blends functionality with character. Whether you're a serious off-roader, a collector, or just someone who loves old-school 4x4s, the FJ40 delivers. Plus, with Toyota bringing back the Land Cruiser name in modern form, the original FJ40 is gaining even more attention as people look back at where the legend began. Outro. So there you have it, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, a true icon that paved the way for generations of off-roaders and adventurers. If you enjoyed this video and love vintage 4x4s as much as we do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite Land Cruiser memory, and don't forget to subscribe to Boke Scout for more legendary vehicles every week. Until next time, keep exploring and drive safe.